Okay guys, right, okay, so last time I have uploaded you all a video plans on gold as well, right? Those who are thinking for the long term, right? Okay, so what the dragon is thinking about the gold and upcoming days, right? Okay, so I have tried to break down in the simple way that was a little bit long holding, and those who are thinking for the long only, right? Okay, not for the scalping sessions, right? Okay guys, for the scalping usually we do it on the live stream every day. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my live stream from 11 UTC onwards daily, right? Okay, on Bitcoin and gold, right? Okay, so this is on gold for the midterm plans, right? Okay, and last time I have uploaded, you all hope you have watched that video, right? Okay, so I have given my effort to build that video, right? Okay, so thinking that it might be helpful for you all sometimes, right? Okay, and today we are going to go over there and see what we have planned and how far we have reached, right guys? Okay, so hopefully you are updated with me. So this is going to be the part number trade number 1 for the gold, right? But the part number 9, right? Okay, so since we have a series from the actually this can be a part 2 for on the gold, right? Okay, for overall that can be a 9 part, right? Okay, so let's go guys, all right, and check it out what the dragon is thinking and what dragon have update for you all, right? Okay, as usual, let's go. Ready? Let's go. Okay guys, so let's go, right? Okay, that was on gold, right guys? Okay, so I have uploaded you all, right? Some might have watched, some might not have watched that one, right? Gold is approaching dragon's plan. This is the video that I've uploaded for you all, right? Some strategies, these are for the for the members, right? Okay, but yeah, this is the video plan for the gold, right?
Okay, this video is for the gold.
Yeah, so that's going to be the part 2, right? Part 2 video. Gold is approaching. That's part 2, all right? Okay, so one way whereby we have seen that the gold was forming a head and shoulder pattern, right? So one is one level whereby we are thinking that the gold can come down, all right, if it happens to directly come without the liquidations, right? Okay, so what we were planning guys, all right, in this levels, so over here it is forming a head and shoulder pattern, so over in this lines, right? Okay, so around 4,376, so people will be shorting over there. So market, what I told you all, small move on a downside, and it might like to go spike and upper side and breakouts and upper side, and it might like to give you $5033 as well, right? But you should know that this is not a financial advice. Dragon never gives you all the financial advice, right? Okay, whatever he thinks is whatever he shows you is whatever he thinks, right? Okay, so only for the education purpose, not a financial advice guys, all right? So let's go and see, check it out, right? Okay guys. So what I told you all guys, right? So in our previous video, so this was the level whereby people can go for the short. The gold can act as if like it is giving a shot and take out all the short people's market trying to approach an upper side, right? Okay, so it can give you, if it was breaking down directly, right, up clean breakouts below this levels, right? Okay, if the market was coming below this levels, I would have gone for the shorts as well, but it was not coming below this level, so we had to ignore this part, right? Rather, what we did, what I told you all in the previous video, we wait above the market to get breakouts and upper side, right? That is an upper side, right? Okay, so we wait for the market to go for the breakouts and upper side, right? Okay, and we planned our longs and upper side. So right now gold, we are holding for the upper side, all right? Okay, so what is my gold target? $5033, right? Okay, that is going to be $5033, right? Okay, around this much, right guys? All right, so maybe around this zone, right? So it may give or may not give, all right? Okay, but we have got entry and we took it the positions, and it is in the right now almost 2.52% done. One profit is done right over there. Stop loss below those levels, right? Okay, if it is coming below those levels, we need to close it. All right, okay, only for the long holdings, right guys? Okay, so we have our overall target for those levels on upper side, very huge target. It may give or may not give, right guys? Okay, so for the holding, right, I have been giving you the informations, right, whereby I use the reference line, right? Okay, so as long as it's not breaking below these levels, I'm still holding. If it happens to give you the breakouts towards the downside, and if the rate has passed, right, then I need to immediately close up with these positions. All right, okay, so right now one target is done, right, whereby 2% profit is given, right, and still holding on a side. In case if it happens to turn a other way around, right, we need to immediately notice that one and get out from the trade, right? The simple thing that what we did in this levels, right guys? Okay, I'm explaining you all again. There's a head and shoulder patterns that you're getting over here, right? Okay, so all right, so market is head and shoulder pattern. Everyone knows that head and shoulder pattern means bearish, right? But sometimes what you see is not correct, right? Okay, so market try to give you a small move on a downside, act as if like a market is trying to push you towards the downside, right guys? Okay, and market waiting for the liquidation. So liquidations can extend up to 14% as well, right? And upper side $5033 as well. If it happens to give, we need to take it all, right? If it doesn't give, it's okay, right guys? Okay, so just manage your own risks, nothing much financial advice, right guys? Okay, so this is just a quick update on gold, right? Those who are aggressively planning on the gold, right, the big fans of the gold, this is a small token from Dragon, right? Whatever he understands, right? He have been explaining you all. If you have seen my previous video, it will be easier for you to see it clearly, understand these levels very carefully, very clearly, right? Okay, so hope that was helpful for you all guys. All right, I'll see you all in the next series, right? What happens to the gold, right? In case if the gold happens to directly come down below $4,311, then you can start planning for the shorts, maybe, right? Okay, if I was there, I would have gone for that one, but for now I can't do anything for the shorts, right? Okay, in case until and unless it's not coming out from $4,315 towards the downside, right? On gold, not to forget, right, before I forget, I will keep mentioning over here. So after this one, I might like to, if I have to plan my shorts, right, okay, I might like to come for the shots from here as well, right? Okay, I'm chewing something else, so you might sound a little bit different, right? Okay, with a small stop loss, I might like to do something else like this for the gold as well, right? Okay, so all right, or how much it can give us, then I might like to trace that one for the gold as well. So one level for shots, those who are aggressively waiting for the shots. Some people saying you are always going for the longs, not giving for the shots, right? If it directly come, all right, one level. The another level is might be, so even if it comes from the halfway, might be a short positions towards the downside, right? Even if it doesn't complete all the whole set of target on the side, but in case if it happens to finish it up, I might like to wait for this levels to come in, right, and target for the downside move one more time, right? Okay, from here if it's given, right guys? Okay, so even if it's not given full target, I might like to update you all on the next video about this one, right? Okay, all right, good. Okay, so yeah, that's all guys. I'll see you all in the next series, right? Okay, for the gold, right? Have a good time, stay safe, signing off, Dragon.